Hello everybody, and I am Slesha Gupta back here on my channel Junior Coder. And in today's video, I'll tell you that how can you exit a program in Python. So Python allows you to quit your program whenever you want, a running program. Today I will be telling you two ways. It's pretty much simple. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for example, you are simply writing your code. I am writing a print function over here, and then okay, there's small error. Let's just correct it. Uh, yeah. So now what you need to do is that you want to close this program. So what you will do is you will click on quit. You will write quit over here. You will use the quit function, and then you will press enter. So it will ask you once that, yeah, do you want to uh, close this program because it's still running. So if you want, you can click on OK, and the program will get closed somewhat like this. I'll tell you one more another way by which you can do this. That's by using the exit function. So in the exit function also it goes on the same way. So whenever you are running a program and you want to close it, you can use these two functions and it will get closed by itself. It will exit the program. So I think that this video might be helpful, and thanks a lot for watching it till the end.